Hey guys, today I'm working with a Kenmore washer and electric dryer matching set. And right now I've got it filled up, pretty heavy jeans and towel load. It's filling up with water. I've got it set just on the ultra clean cycle. And essentially the ultra clean and permanent press, they're exactly the same. The difference is this one's a little bit shorter, but as far as how they agitate and the power and strength and all that they use, it's all the same. Where you would make that difference is right here. This is something I actually just recently learned. So, you know, if you wanted it full blast, which is what we're going to do so you can see it at top speed, you just hit fast. Or if you wanted to do an actual delicate cycle, you go all the way over here. And it doesn't matter which one of these you use. You might save a little time and water doing this one here. This could really just be called normal or quick wash. So a little tip for you there. But we're going to go ahead and let it fill up with water. We'll come back, show you that it agitates great. Then we'll show you the water drains out and that it has a nice, fast, smooth spin cycle. Okay, so it's filled up all the way. It's got a nice, strong agitation. You can see full submersion on the close there, too. Okay, moving out of the wash cycle into the rinse cycle. You can hear it draining that water out. Nice and fast. So now you know the drain works. We'll come back for that final spin. Alright guys, we moved out of the rinse cycle into that final spin. And it's just about at full speed here. So when I lift the lid up, the lid switch is going to kick in and shut it down. But you'll be able to see that it is spinning nice and fast, and obviously you can see now it's nice and smooth. Sounds great. So go ahead and lift that up. You can see it's spinning nice and fast. Lid switch works perfect. And there again, the whole purpose of this video is if you were standing here yourself testing it out, you want to know everything works good, pay your money, take it home, plug it in. Everything's going to work perfect. So that's the whole purpose of these videos. That's how I like to shop, so that's how I like to sell my items. And I like to have these sitting there waiting for you, help you load them up type of deal. Obviously can't have them all plugged up and hooked up to water and all that. So this is a good way for you to see everything works perfect. And what I'm going to let this do is finish up, move the clothes over to the dryer, and show you the dryer. Alright, now I've got those clothes moved over to the dryer. Go ahead and close that up. We'll hit that on time dry, high heat, hit go. As you can see in here, it's got nice smooth operation. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to be. So right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. You can see the difference between the actual unit and the floor there. And so I'm going to open this up, I'm going to shoot it right inside the heating element tube. Right inside that tube there is where the heat comes through. The heating element's kind of right behind this panel here. It comes up and out of that tube. And then the inside of your dryer is going to get anywhere from about 95 up to 195 once it heats up and gets going. And that just depends on what you have your heat setting at right here. So you do have the option for delicates. You've got an air dry, time dry, automatic. So we'll let these go ahead and finish up. I'll get them listed for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks.